Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we're going to be cleaning my fridge. And guess what? That is how, because of this video took me an hour to get done. So yeah, it took me over an hour to clean this fridge. And of course I did some washing dishes and stuff like that, but you'll see. But in YouTube time, it don't look that way. But anyway, I'm gonna stop talking, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.
And I only wanna set my heart on things from up above, up above, up above, up above. On things from up above, up above, up above, up above, up above. You walk like you talk like you be where you are. Wanna reflect your light and never the dark. You're always on my mind, so you never feel far. And I can rely on you when life gets hard. I should've come to you sooner, trust you to my life around. But I had it all figured out. Was blind, but I can see now. Thought I was free, but the whole time I was a slave to the doubt. Need a change, show me how. Ain't know about you, but I know where all good things come from. And I only wanna set my heart on things from up above, up above, up above, up above. All things from up above, up above, up above, up above, up above. If it's not like you, if it's not holy, if it's not worthy, I don't want it on my mind. If it's not like you, if it's not holy, if it's not worthy, I don't want it on my mind. If it's not like you, if it's not holy, if it's not worthy, I don't want it on my mind. If it's not like you, if it's not holy, if it's not worthy, I don't want it on my mind. I know where all good things come from, and I only wanna set my heart on things from up above, up above, up above, up above. All things from up above, up above, up above, up above, up above.
Lord, I know I'm not perfect, neither is this man that you sent me. And I don't wanna hurt him, so right now could you just speak through me? Cause I don't wanna say something I don't mean. I don't wanna make this worse than it has to be. But right now we don't understand each other. I just need for you to come and cover us. Teach me how to understand this man. I don't want my pride to ruin what you land. Teach me how to understand this man. I don't want my pride to ruin what you plan. Teach me, Lord, I'll never be perfect, and I know this man, you may loves me. So if there's work to do, I'm willing to humble myself to find your clarity. Cause I don't wanna say something I don't mean. I don't wanna make this worse than it has to be. But right now we don't understand each other. I just need for you to come and cover us. Teach me how to understand this man. I don't want my pride to ruin what you land. Teach me how to understand this man. I don't want can tell the story of how I've overcome. Dark were the days I didn't know the sun. Numb to the thought of love, and so I chose to run. But yeah, call me home, and so his will be done. There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. No greater love. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Feeling far away, but I'm close to you. You know me by my name, but I chose the world instead of you. Had no clue why the days were so blue. Only if I recognize you're not a man that you should lie with him. There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Walking all alone on this weary road. Heavy burdens on my shoulders.
And guess what, y'all? I'm tired. So you know what that means? That's the end of this video. So stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to be trying to put the Christmas tree. Lord help us. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great week, great weekend. Love y'all. Stay tuned for next week or the next couple of days or tomorrow. Hey, yeah, let's do tomorrow. All right. See y'all tomorrow. Okay, bye.